Welcome to our video on the top 5 business ideas for entrepreneurs. Number 5 on our list is starting a food delivery service. With more people than ever working from home, the demand for food delivery services has skyrocketed. You can start small by delivering meals from local restaurants, or even try your hand at meal prep and delivery. Coming in at number 4 is e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, starting an e-commerce business is a great way to tap into the market. You can sell anything from handmade goods to wholesale products and reach customers all over the world. Number 3 is starting a home cleaning or landscaping business. With many people looking for ways to improve their homes and yards, the demand for these services is very high. You can start small by offering services to your friends and family and grow your business from there. Our runner-up business idea is starting a tutoring service. With many students struggling to learn remotely, the demand for online tutoring services has increased significantly. You can offer one-on-one tutoring sessions or even create a virtual classroom for group instruction. And finally, our top business idea is starting a digital marketing agency. With more and more businesses moving online, the demand for digital marketing services has never been higher. You can help businesses with search engine optimization, social media marketing, and even website design. We hope you enjoyed our video on the top 5 business ideas for entrepreneurs. Remember, starting a business takes hard work and dedication, but the payoff can be well worth it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us create more great content for you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.